Your furnace is one of the most complex and important appliances in your home. So when it's not operating at peak efficiency, or not heating at all, it can be a real problem. Luckily, there are a number of things you can do to assess what may be wrong when an issue comes up. It may seem obvious, but the first thing you should check is the settings on your thermostat. The thermostat controls when the furnace turns on and off, depending on the surrounding indoor air temperature. If the thermostat isn't working or set properly, it may cause problems. First, make sure your thermostat is on the heat setting. Any thermostat that's also part of a central air conditioner will have both a heat and cool setting. Check to see that the thermostat is set a few degrees higher than the room temperature. This is necessary to activate any furnace to deliver heat. Replace thermostat batteries if your system has them. And if your home's temperature regularly seems out of sync with thermostat settings, look at thermostat location. A poorly located thermostat that gets false readings from other heat sources or is too close to an exterior door can create ongoing temperature problems. If you suspect your thermostat is in the wrong place, it's best to call an expert to have it reinstalled in an optimal location. Check the electrical panel to make sure that the breaker feeding power to the furnace hasn't tripped. Shut the breaker all the way off and then all the way on again to reset it. Make sure all doors and filter access panels are fully closed. Furnaces have safety switches that won't allow the unit to operate if the furnace doors are not closed properly. Ensure that your furnace filters are clean and free of dust and debris. A clogged filter can cause a furnace to stop working or work poorly. If none of these simple checks solve the problem, it's time to call a licensed furnace professional. Other reasons to call a professional include unusual sounds, vibrations, rattles, clicks, or if the furnace seems to be straining to operate. This could be a sign of an internal mechanical problem. If you need assistance with any furnace maintenance or repair, call on Reliance.